morning to everybody. This is David Alexander from Australia, giving you some detailed, specific help on some of the on the most difficult English pronunciations. On the top of the level of pronunciations with difficulty are TH sounds, TH number 1 and TH number 2. So I'll show you very specifically, and what you must do, listen very closely to the sound and look at my mouth movements. Look at the shape of my mouth and the shape of my lips. Okay? Listen, look, focus. Don't be thinking about other things, just focus completely on these English teaching videos and your English can be much improved. I'm doing my best, so you must do your best. You must do your best with focus, okay? Without focus, we don't achieve our goal. With focus, we can achieve everything, all right? So I will tell you now about TH number 1 and TH number 2, okay? These sounds, TH number 1, th, and TH number 2, the, do not exist in Devanagari languages. In Hindi, Pahari, Sanskrit, they do not exist. All right, so you must learn them. Focus. Okay, thank you.